What is it, Pascal? This one's good. So I'm looking for a jacket because it's raining right now and I forgot to bring my jacket. So we went to this department store just to buy a jacket. I think this one is good. It's from Outdoor. But there's a lot of options right here. I like this black one. So simple. Point after. The brand doesn't matter. I just want a good looking jacket. This black one also looks good and it's 500, much cheaper. Let's try this one. Yeah, this one from Outdoor, not so expensive. I think it's only 2,000. So let's get this one.
Masarap na amoy.
Oo nga eh.
Did you look up to the sky and see beautiful colors? Could you live in the moment like there's no other? Do you also feel sometimes that the only friend is the ocean who understands? I remember when I was younger, the streetlights called the day to an end. Stop daydreaming. You gotta work, you gotta run tomorrow. So keep your side up.
Hindi pa naman madilim ngayon. Lumabas ako. Let me fix the camera real quick.
Samui.
May slide ako nakita. Kahit basa. Shit ko. Stupid motherfucker.
Kami ang video. At pangalan naman.
Naiihi pa ako. Tumuulan pa rin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't see anything. Shit. My god. Hindi ba na sila nagbubuhay ng ilaw dito? Ang tipid-tipid nyo naman. Oh my god. Oh my god, ang dilim din sa CR. Holy shit. Buhay mag-isa. Oh my god. Uy, putang ina mo. Para may... Oh gosh.
Scusa.
わかんない。ちょっと
ちょっと見に行く。
Conversations that never leave me complacent. Numerous positions till our bodies are adjacent. Where I could twist you like a hexagon. I threw the line in cause you love my puns. Not something I intended, don't say it, let me finish it. Oh my god, swing. Wow, you're such an idiot. I know you like the back of my hand.
Alright.
何それおやすみ
耳が冷たい。
Hey guys, I'm already awake. Can you see my view right here? Naiihi ako. Hey guys, see the time? Just 5:58. Oh my god, see this guys? Nothing happened. Holy shit, girl. See how beautiful was that? Okay. We will explore that part later. It's so early, so I will change clothes first. Hey guys, so I'm now inside the forest in the middle of nowhere. And I'm the only one here. Dad went first, but he's now missing. I don't know where he go. I don't know where we're going, guys. I'm just walking until there's a road. By the way, I'm running out of battery. So my dad is inside the car right now, and he went first to the falls. Let's go to the falls, guys, because I really wanted to swim. We didn't eat a lot this camp. Let's go. This ain't easy, guys. I swear. Hirap pala nito, hayop. The falls is right here. Holy shit. Let me show you real quick. So guys, I'm now here in the car. I got a lot of footage while hiking in the mountain. I don't have a lot of footage while I'm swimming, but I went there. It was a good time. Had a lot of fun. So see you guys.